K-pop, K-drama, now K-statistics? You might ask, what is K-statistics? K-statistic is a web page provided by KITA, Korea International Trade Association, to showcase Korean trade data. K-statistics allow users to better understand the Korean economy from short to long term and see the trade volume between Korea and its trading partners by country. If you type kita.org and click K-statistic on the third navigation menu, you can access the trade data. Now, let's dive into the world of K-statistics. K-statistic consists of 4 categories: overview, by commodity, by country, by continent economic bloc. After giving you 3 important tips about K-statistics, our tutorial video will walk you through 3 examples on how to use K-statistics. Let's start with the 3 tips. First, all the trade data provided are Korean trade data or about our trading partners. Second, K-statistic is structured intuitively, so you just have to see the categories in the menu to understand how the data is organized. If you want it by country, then click by country and so on. Within each category, we also have more filters that allow you to customize the data and specifically look for what you want. Third, if you have a question, you can click on the question mark icon to find help and answers. Now I'll do the first walkthrough using balance of trade. The overview menu displays trade data of Korea in general. Balance of trade, this submenu, shows Korea's import and export value in dollars from 1957 to now. This page is relatively easy to use since there are only 3 filters: cycle, unit, and line that you can change by clicking on the drop-down bar. The second example is specific commodity. Under by commodity menu, you can tell from the name, by commodity organized data based on commodity. Similarly, specific commodity organized data by commodity. If you type the corresponding HSK code or SITC code for a commodity, then you can look up the export and import value of the said item. This is the data for all export and import of the said item with all of Korea's trading partners. For example, typing in 854232, the HSK code for semiconductor memories, allows you to look up the corresponding trade data. Don't forget to click the question mark icon for assistance regarding the item code. The third example is specific commodity, under by country menu. As the name suggests, by country organized data, based on the country. As we just saw, specific commodity submenu allow users to acquire, import, or export value for the specific commodity. Now with by country, we can further customize the data and look up the data for a specific country. For example, if you type HSK code 854232 for semiconductor memories and 2-letter country code AU for Australia, you can look up the export and import of semiconductor between Korea and Australia. Click question mark next to the item and country search box for help. This wraps up the tutorial on how to use K-statistics. Thank you for watching, and please contact KITA for any question through KITA Global Partners Clubs. Contact us section on kita.org.